What's up guys, my name is Team Crypto. Welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to get free money on Binance, and secondly I will show you how to use that free money to get even more. I suggest you to pay attention to this video and watch until the end. Binance gives you opportunity to make lots of money, a passive income for yourself. I will show you how to do that and even more. Subscribe to the channel and wait for more videos, and here we go guys. Alright, to do this we have to use a coin. So what would I choose? Yes, that's the Binance coin. The Binance coin, also known as BNB coin, it is number 4 on coin market cap, and now its 24 hours volume is 1 billion, and it is down 27% in last 24 hours. I know you know that sound. It's good time to buy. Remember, when you enter in the asset, you have to get it when it's low. If you see the price chart of BNB, it has steadily trend like this. So you are just not buying anyhow coin. So BNB is wonderful coin and it has many use cases. Alright, you can buy BNB on Binance. When you have BNB already present in your wallet, let me show you how to get free money and how to use that free money to get even more money. For to do that, go to the finance right here and click on Binance Earn. When you click on Binance Earn, this is what you're going to see, and you go down here to flexible terms and click on BNB wallet right here. Now this is your BNB wallet. Once you have BNB presence in your wallet, what you have to do is stake your BNB. Now stake is similar to saving. In the bank you save, you get interest. What is in Binance? You stake, you get reward. More coins you staking, get more rewards. You can stake BNB at any time and use it anytime you want to use. And not just that, you can going to get more coins available on Binance Launch Pool. If you go to the Binance Launch Pool, when you scroll down, you see Automata coin right now available on Binance Launch Pool. If you stake your BNB, you will get these coins for free. Sometimes they may be like 5 coins available on Binance Launch Pool. Now I am going to show you another step. Use this free money to get more money. If you enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe and like this video for more videos. For example, we're going to use this automata coin right here. Alright, listen carefully. Sometimes before coins listed on Binance, it have to go through this launch pool. When it's go through launch pool, it takes 5-6 days before it fully get listed on Binance. If you been staking your BNB and new coin enter launch pool, you are going to get free minted coins. Those coins you get in not even available in Binance yet. Now when you get those coins, you can't sell. Understand, because it is not available on Binance to trade, so you have to hold those coins. Remember, you get free minted coins. The automata coin I am using here, it is listed on Binance Launch Pool these days, because during 16 days when Binance get list a coin, there are millions of people waiting to trade that coin. So minimum of people already buy that coin. So there are massive buy pressure on that coin. That's why we have this massive fire green candle here. This is because of massive buy pressure. When you get listed coin at that time and when you stake BNB on Binance, you are getting free of it even before it gets listed on Binance. You have to do is, you know that the Binance listing data on 3 a.m. You have to do be around that time, because of that time you will be selling. Sounds fair enough and sounds great, right? I know you can understand what I am saying. You can see this bottom line is the Binance gives you the coin for free. If you trade right here, you have to sell that time immediately. If you sell immediately at $4.5, you can get massive gain from that and free money, and this is all you have to do. Lots of people, lots of people do this, but not everyone know about this. Now you know because you have watched my video. So Yes guys, and you are a really lucky person, so subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.